Hey YouTube, it's been a really long time since I've posted a video, but I thought I would show you my latest find. I found this at a thrift store. Oh my god, this cat is bothering me. Anyways, I found this at a thrift store. It was $25, so I grabbed it immediately. Didn't even bother testing it because I figured it would work, and it does. It runs on R12 refrigerant. I did take it apart and gave it a quick clean, but I need to find a filter that fits over top of here. It ran all night, and there's quite a bit of water in here. It's probably about here. I use this water to water my houseplants. It's no different than rainwater, so they love it. I'm not too sure what year this was made in. Sometime before the 90s, obviously, since it's R12 refrigerant. I'll fire it up for you guys. I'm not sure how many pints it is. There are 2 evaporator coils though, so I'm assuming it's a decent pint rating. It moves quite a bit of air. Does quite a good job up here. It's fairly quiet, and it doesn't get hot like the new ones do. Now, I don't know why my light's not on my camera here. Excuse my shaky camera work. I have old man hands, even though I'm only in my 30s. And we're starting to drip here. It does not take long at all for it to start forming condensation, likely because of that good R12 refrigerant. Anyway, I thought you guys might want to see a video of this thing. Thanks for watching, and maybe I'll post some more videos. I have some other things I could show you guys since it's been so long since I've posted, so keep an eye out. See ya.